Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with TV, part 3 of this series of drawing the toughest dot and cross diagrams. Here I am helping you with chlorate ions, ClO minus, nitrate NO3 minus and carbonate CO3 2 minus. Now the one similarity in all of these that these all have oxide ions, and these oxygen atoms in all of these, they have acquired an electron from another positive cation to gain this negative charge. So now let's see how do we draw these diagrams. So when we are looking at chlorate ion, then you know that chlorine is in group 7 and oxygen is in group 6. So chlorine is looking to share one electron of its own with oxygen, and in that process it will have octet full. Now oxygen on the other hand had got 6 electrons in its outermost shell, and it has shared one electron from chlorine. So therefore now it has got 7 electrons, and oxygen's octet is not full. So therefore what it does is it gains an electron from another metal cation, for example from Na plus or K plus or lithium, any of these which will give away one electrons to this oxygen. In the process it will acquire a charge of 1 minus because of this extra electron that these have gained. So this is how it would look like, and by forming a single bond and gaining one electron from an cation. So this is how chlorate ion comes about. Now the next one is nitrate ion. So in here you can see that there is a 1 minus charge again. Nitrogen is in group 5 and oxygen is in group 6. So nitrogen is the central atom and it has got a 1 minus charge, means it has got one of the oxygens which has gained an electron from a cation. So now do you see that oxygen had 6 electrons? It formed one single bond with nitrogen and 2 lone pairs, and this lone electron, it has gained an electron from a positive cation. So in the process it has become a 1 minus. Now nitrogen had 2 more oxygens here, so which you can show as double bonds, 2 double bonds with these 2 oxygens, and you can also show it like this. So you can see in a stick model, you can show it like double bond O, O minus, because it has gained this electron from another atom. So this is how nitrate ion would look like. Now the next one we are going to look at is the carbonate ion. Now in case of carbonate ion, you can see that there are 2 O1 minus here. Carbon is in group 4, oxygen is in group 6. So carbon has got 4 electrons in its outermost shell and it's got a 2 minus charge, which means that it has got 2 of these O1 minus. O minus means that they have gained 1 electron from a cation. Okay. So this is the electron that they have gained from a metal cation, and one electron they have shared with carbon. Now carbon had 4 electrons in its outermost shell, so now it's left with 2 of these, and in carbonate ion there were 3 oxygens. So 2 oxygens are here, so the third oxygen you can show in the form of a double bond, or you can show as like this. So in the form of stick diagram, you can show it as C double bond O, O 1 minus, O 1 minus. This is how the carbonate ion would look like. I hope this video and my explanation was useful to you, and if you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to see you in my next video explaining a few more of these polyatomic ions dot and cross diagrams. So goodbye, take care.